Well, the neighbor came out, spoke for a while. Okay, never mind that. Okay. Oh, never mind. But anyway, as I was saying, folks, neighbor's busy right now. So anyway, do y'all want to look at the sky with me again? I don't want to catch nobody. All right, look at the sky. Sky's the limit. All right. Yes, indeed. It's high as a kite out here. Mm-hmm. Well. My best friend Nala gonna come in a couple of hours though. Okay. So we got it big. We got it made. Okay. So anyway, pretty soon, one of these days, Dominoes 7 is gonna move into a brand new house. Okay. Facebook vlog too. You know. So doing it big, doing it off top. Okay. Like Cash Money Baby would say. Or Juvenile or BG. Well, actually, he don't call himself Baby no more. Call himself Birdman, you know. Okay? Yes, indeed, yo. All right. I was looking behind me because I was just looking behind me. That's all. Okay. I mean, yes, indeed, Woody. I got this good. My friend D Weezy, Dwayne Payne, D Payne, I should say. You know, I wonder if he watching this video. You know, whoever else is watching, what's up, Woody? Huh? We got it, okay? We got it going on, okay? Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. All right. I'm sure my auntie is watching though. Okay. Uh-huh. Gotta be careful what the hell I'm saying though, you know. Cause I don't know who else is watching Dominoes 7, you know. I definitely don't know who watching Dominoes 7, okay? Anybody could be watching Dominoes 7, you heard me? Uh-huh. Just felt like vlogging on this special day, okay? Got my Facebook vlog in 3 or 2. I might as well vlog on the inside though, okay? Okay, so alright then, so I better stop this tape on this Facebook Live, okay? Eventually upload to YouTube. If I have something to say, I'll be back.